Device-free dinner on Get Clean, Stay Clean, Be Clean for Unplug. Device-free dinner. When was the last time everyone in your family sat down together without any kind of technology, TVs, screens, iPads, you name it, smartwatches, any of it? The primary lie we are exposing here. We are still together, even if we are on our phones or devices. The core truth we are restoring: physical proximity is not presence. Mental and physical. It is not presence. All of it, we have to be present. We sit at the same table, but we are not actually together. If our family dinners include glowing screens, we are practicing disconnection, not connection. Tonight, we fix it. The problem: families are sitting together while being mentally elsewhere. Even if a person doesn't have the smart devices with them, digital addiction causes them to not be mentally present because they're looking for their next dopamine hit, dopamine spike. You may call it dinner, you may call it lunch, you may call it breakfast, but it is parallel scrolling, it is parallel addiction. Research on technoference shows device interruptions reduce interaction quality and increase conflict patterns over time. Conflict, chaos, and confusion increases. Interruptions, distractions, noise, mentally, that's where it starts. Below the ground, the beliefs, the rot, the brain rot, the lies, versus the truth, the wisdom, the school of wisdom. Unplugging from technology. This is not harmless. This is training the nervous system, rewiring the brain. The lies. It is not a big deal. We are still together. It is just a quick check. Everyone does it these days. Soft culture creates weak connections. The truth, the wisdom. Presence requires removal. We cannot build safety and security while competing with algorithms, while competing with dopamine hits, while competing with digital addictions, and pretty much guaranteed digital addictions are not going to be the only ones. There's going to be multiple there. It's not just what we're engaging in, it's also what are we ingesting. If something interrupts connections, it does not belong at the table. The reset, using our 6-phase alignment model. 1, we're going to restore, regulate the nervous system, the brain and spinal cord, release the old memories to get security, to get safety. Before dinner, slow breath. You can do inhale 4, hold 4, exhale 6. You can do inhale 4, exhale 8. There's many different breathing techniques. Going to put phones on silent and physically release them and any other smartwatches, any other devices that would be present in a basket. We calm the nervous system before we connect. Body goes first, safety, calm, and you betcha there's going to be resistance for anyone that has any addictions with digital or anything else. 2, we're going to remember and reconnect with the truth, the wisdom. We remember family is built in small daily rituals and actions. Dinner is not just about food. It is about formation. It is about togetherness. It is about uniting. Deuteronomy 6 models teaching in daily rhythms. Identity, personal reality before behaviors. We have to look at the whole person, the mind, body, spirit, before we look at just behavioral. 3, we recognize, and awareness reveals the lies, exposing the lies. Where are we rationalizing? Where are we entitled? Where are we uncomfortable with silence? Avoiding conversations, needing stimulation, clarity without shame. 4, we're going to rewrite and replace the scripts, the old scripts, the lies, the false beliefs. Old script, dinner is multitasking time. New script, dinner is sacred connection time. Write it, say it, model it. 5, we're going to rewire, reprogram, practice the repetition. Either we're repeating the lies or we're repeating the truth and the wisdom. We either get consequences and weeds or we get flowers, plants, and rest and rewards and calm and peace. Do this for every night for 7 days. All phones in one, all technology in one basket that would be at the table. No exceptions. 3 intentional questions. Repetition like this for 7 days will build new neural patterns in everyone present. 6, rest, the proof, the fruit. What happens? More eye contact, less agitation. Granted, pay attention to withdrawals. Pay attention to detox. Pay attention to habits and patterns and behaviors of how they act. More laughter, better sleep, less subtle resentment, and peace is the proof. Now, with addictions, withdrawal, detox, all of this is a whole nother discussion. So now how does the nervous system tie in here? When phones are on the table and watches, etc., micro dopamine spikes. And here's the deeper truth. Without them present, the brain is looking for those dopamine spikes and dopamine hits. And if they're not present, they want them. Split attention, can't have 100 full attention. Hypervigilance to notifications. The energy that anyone is going to carry that is needing that dopamine hit is going to be looking for notifications, even if it's on silent. Even silent phones divide cognitive focus in many contexts. Calm dinners lower household stress patterns. This is not something that you can expect overnight to get better, especially with digital addictions at any age. The longer, they have had the habits, the patterns, the behavioral patterns, the addictions, the more is going to show up for you. And that will let you know to the extent that they are addicted. Bold reproof, course correction. We must stop pretending we are connected. Everyone's going around saying, I'm more connected than I've ever been. No. You could have 5,500, however many connections across the world. No. We must stop pretending we are connected while staring at devices. That is not togetherness. That is avoidance. That is ignorance. We're not shaming here. but no softness either. What can a family do? How can a family apply this? Tonight, put a basket in the center of the table, boldly. Everyone puts their devices, smartwatches, you name it, tablets, iPads, phones, even parents, children, grandparents, you name it, especially parents. Leaders go first. Children copy culture, not just our words. They are programmed by peer culture, society, what they've been ingesting. Conversation starters, use 3. What was one moment today that challenged us? Number 2, what made us laugh? A good old belly laugh. Number 3, where did we feel pressure? Simple, real, human, connecting, uniting. So let's close with kind of a strong declaration here. We will not let devices lead our family, form our family, disciple our family. We will not trade connection for inconvenience. A lot of people would say convenience because that's what it seems like, microwave society, but it's actually inconvenience. But everybody's calling it convenience. Excuse me, we will not scroll while someone is speaking. What can you say? Excuse me for a minute. I'm working on something. Can you wait until I can give you my full attention? Or if somebody is, hey, can you stop working on that? Or can you let me know when you're going to be done so then I can have your full attention? We choose presence, we choose discipline, we choose the highway, the school of wisdom, the school of truth. The one action tonight, 100% device dinner, free dinner, phones, watches, any kind of technology in the basket, no exceptions, one meal, prep it, cook it, set the table, eat, have a blast, clean up, turn on some music, and play a game. One meal, get clean, stay clean, be clean. Families sit together, but they are not actually present. Phones and watches and other devices at dinner slowly train disconnection, separation, division, quietly without the family knowing. We are not here to entertain distraction. We are here to restore order, rhythm, flow. The lies, it is not a big deal. Everyone does it. The truth, presence requires removal. If it interrupts connections and uniting, it does not belong at the table nor in the family. Remember, our beliefs down below the roots drive 80 to 90% of our behaviors that are 10 to 20% on top, and then our fruit. Tonight, unplug. Do this for yourself. Do this for God. Do this for your spirit. Do it for your family. Do it for others. Discuss family dinner, team meetings, have check-ins with your children, your spouses, your siblings. Soft culture creates weak connections. Truth spoken with wisdom builds strength. We're here to reset, unplug, unite families. We are not here to be loud. We are here to be aligned with the truth. Phones down, be present, not distracted.